Question number 1. Mutation in promoter region of gene can cause premature termination of translation, change in reading frame of downstream structural gene, decrease efficiency of transcription. D. All of this. Correct answer is option C. Decrease efficiency of transcription. Question number 2. Mitochondrial protein synthesis is inhibited by cyclohexamide, chloramphenicol, diphtheria toxin. None of this. Correct answer is option B. Chloramphenicol. Question number 3. All the following statements about pyrimycin are true except it is an alanine tRNA analog. It kills premature termination of protein synthesis. It inhibits protein synthesis in prokaryotes. It inhibits protein synthesis in eukaryote. Correct answer is option A. It is an alanine tRNA analog. Is not correct answer. All the three statements are correct for pyrimycin. Question number 4. Leucine zipper motif is seen in some helical proteins when leucine residue appear at every 3rd position, 5th position, 7th position, 9th position. Correct answer is option C. 7th position. Question number 5. Zinc finger motif is formed in some proteins by binding to zinc 2, 2 cysteine residue, 2 histidine residue, 2 arginine residue, 2 cysteine and 2 histidine residue or 2 pair of 2 cysteine residue each. Correct answer is option D. 2 cysteine and 2 histidine residue or 2 pairs of cysteine residue each. Question number 6. Restriction endonuclease are present in virus, bacteria, eukaryotes. All of this. Correct answer is option B. Bacteria. Question number 7. Restriction endonuclease splits RNA, single-stranded DNA, double-stranded DNA, DNA, RNA hybrids. Correct answer is option C. Double-stranded DNA. Question number 8. Restriction endonuclease can recognize palindromic sequence, chimeric DNA, DNA, RNA hybrid, homopolymer sequence. Correct answer is option A. Palindromic sequence. Question number 9. All of the following statements about restriction endonuclease are true except they are present in bacteria, they act on double-stranded DNA, they recognize palindromic sequence, they always produce sticky end. Correct answer is option D. They always produce sticky end is not correct for restriction endonuclease. All three statements are correct for restriction endonuclease. Question number 10. Which of the following is palindromic sequence? Correct answer is option C. 5-3 GAA-GC is the palindromic sequence. 11. In sticky end produced by restriction endonuclease, the two strands of DNA are joined to each other. The DNA strands stick to restriction endonuclease. The end of double-stranded fragment are overlapping. The end of double-stranded fragment are non-overlapping. Correct answer is option D. The ends of double-stranded fragment are non-overlapping. 12. All of the following may be used as an expression vector except plasmid, bacteriophage, baculovirus, E. coli. Correct answer is option D. E. coli. Plasmid, bacteriophage and baculovirus used as an expression vector. Question number 30. A plasmid is a single-stranded linear DNA, single-stranded circular DNA, double-stranded linear DNA, double-stranded circular DNA. Correct answer is option D. Double-stranded circular DNA. 40. Fragment of DNA can be identified by the technique of Western blotting, Eastern blotting, Northern blotting, Southern blotting. Correct answer is option D. Southern blotting. 50. A particular RNA in a mixture can be identified by Western blotting, Eastern blotting, Northern blotting, Southern blotting. Correct answer is option C. Northern blotting. 60. A radioactive isotope labeled cDNA probe is used in Southern blotting, Northern blotting, both A and B, none of these. Correct answer is option C. Both A and B. 17. An antibody probe is used in Southern blotting, Northern blotting, Western blotting, none of these. Correct answer is option C. Western blotting. 80. A particular protein in a mixture can be detected by southern blotting, northern blotting, western blotting, none of these. Correct answer is option C, western blotting. 90. The first protein synthesized by recombinant DNA technology was streptokinase, human growth hormone, tissue plasminogen activator, human insulin. Correct answer is option D, human insulin. 20. For production of eukaryotic protein by recombinant DNA technology in bacteria, the template to use is eukaryotic gene, hnRNA, mRNA, all of these. Correct answer is option C, mRNA. 21. Monoclonal antibody are prepared by cloning myeloma cell, hybridoma cell, T lymphocyte, B lymphocyte. Correct answer is option B, hybridoma cell. 22. Myeloma cells are lacking in TMP synthesis, formal transfer, HGPRT, all of this. Correct answer is option C, HGPRT. 23. Hybridoma cells are selected by culturing them in a medium containing adenine, guanine, cytosine, thymine, adenine, guanine, cytosine, uracil, hypoxanthine, aminoterine, thymine, hypoxanthine, aminoterine, and thymidine. Correct answer is option D, hypoxanthine, aminoterine, and thymidine. 24. Myeloma cell and lymphocyte can be fused by using calcium chloride, ethidium bromide, polyethyl glycol, DNA polymerase. Correct answer is option D, DNA polymerase. 25. Trials of gene therapy in human beings were first carried out with considerable success in genetic disease called cystic fibrosis, thalassemia, adenosine deaminase deficiency, Lesch-Nyhan syndrome. Correct answer is option C, adenosine deaminase deficiency. Chimeric DNA is found in bacteriophage, continuous unrelated gene, has no restriction size, is palindromic. Correct answer is option B, a continuous unrelated genes. 27. Which of the following may be used as a cloning vector? Prokaryotic plasmid, lambda phage, cosmid, all of these. Correct answer is option D, all of these. Prokaryotic plasmid, lambda phage, cosmid used as a cloning vector. 28. A plasmid PBR322 has ampicillin resistant gene, tetracycline resistant gene, both A and B, and none of these. Correct answer is option C, ampicillin resistant gene, tetracycline resistant gene. 29. Lambda phage can be used to clone DNA fragment up to size up to 3 kilobase, up to 20 kilobase, up to 45 kilobase, up to 1000 kilobase. Correct answer is option B, up to 20 kilobases. 30. DNA fragment up to 45 kilobase in size can be cloned in bacterial plasmid, lambda phage, cosmid, yeast, artificial chromosome. Correct answer is option A, bacterial plasmid.